Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kavya from Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, studying in the Department of Electronics and Communication. It is my first video on the subject of Python programming, and my topic is list, tuple and dictionary. Let we move towards the topic of list. A list is an ordered data structure with elements separated by comma and enclosed within square brackets. For example, list 1 and list 2 shown below. In example, contains a single type of data and has integers, while list 1 has integers while list 2 has strings. Lists can also store mixed data types as shown in the list 3, that is numbers and words. And some steps of lists, that is first one is the list data type, second is working with lists, third is augmented assignment operators and methods, and example program, that is magic 8 ball with a list, and sixth one is list like types, that is strings and tuples, and the last one is references. And next is the list data type, that is a list is a value that contains multiple values in an ordered sequence. A list value looks like this, enclosed with square bracket, and contains some numbers, that is integers, and values inside the list are also called items and are separated with commas. In example, we can see the list, that is it enclosed the some items, that is 10, 5, 8 and -9. And when we run this list with the print statement, we are getting the output, that is in the list, that is 10, 5, 8, -9. And second is augmented assignment operators, that is when assigning a value to variable, we will frequently use the variable itself, and a method is same as a function except it is called on a value. The method part comes after the value, separated by a period. Each data type has its own set of methods. The list data type has several useful methods for finding, adding, removing, and manipulating values in a list. And some more examples of lists, that is first one is the list includes the elements 10, 5, 8 and -9. The element 10 is in the position of 0 and 5 in the position of first, 8 is second and -9 in the position of 4. And we can print the list 1, we can get the output of 5. And second one is the list is 10, 5, 8, -9. When we run the program with print statement, we are finding the minimum element in the list, that is we are run the list with print statement, we are getting -9, that is minimum in the list. Third one is the list, and we can here getting the sum of the all elements. When we run the program with sum and list statement, we can get the output as 20. And fourth one is list, and second line is name equal to Ravi and Ram, and print list plus name, first list and name, and we can get the sum of first and second line. In the output we can see that is 10, 5, 12, -7, Ravi and Ram. that is for one is list equal to 10, 5, 12 minus 7 and name is Ravi and Ram. It is same as fourth and fifth one is 10, 5, 12 minus 7. Here we can it will add the second line in the output, that is using append list dot append as svce. When we print the list with print statement, output is 10, 5, 12 minus 7 and svce. Sixth one is we can extend the lists using extend list dot extend 1, 2, 3 and we can run the program with print statement. We are getting the output 10, 5, 12 minus 7 and 1, 2, 3. And we can move towards the creation of duplicate list using copy functions. There are two types of copy functions. One is shallow copy and second one is deep copy. We can see the example of shallow copy, that is import copy and old list equal to we can see the two in the large list there are three elements, that is first one is 111. It is the list is called one element in the large list and second one is 2, 2, 2. This is sub 2 list in the large list and third is new list equal to we can print the copy statement and old list is equal to AA and print old list, that is old list, and print new list, that is new list, and we are getting the output as old list and new list. And we can move towards the copy of deep copy and we can see the example. Import copy old list equal to this list includes three sub lists we can see, and new list equal to copy, that is old list equal to a print old list, that is first second line old list, and print new list, that is third line new list, and we can get the output as 111 and here we are getting the new list inside the old list. And let me move towards the topic of tuple. Tuples are immutable and hence cannot have any changes in them once they are created in Python. This is because they support the same sequence operations as strings. We all know that strings are immutable. The index operator will select an element from a tuple just like in a string. Hence they are immutable. We can see the example of tuple. Tuple equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. When we can run the program, that is tuple, with print statement, we are getting the output as 10, 20, 30 and 40. And second example is tuple equal to 10, 20, 30 and 40. Here 10 is in the position of 0 and 20 is -1 and 30 is -2, and we can run the -2 with print statement. We are getting the output as 30, which is in the position of -2, and tuples are represented inside bracket. A dictionary is a collection of many values. Indexes for dictionaries can use many different data types, not just integers. Indexes for dictionaries are called keys, and a key with its associated value is called a key value pair. A dictionary is a type with brackets, that is flower bracket. In Python, a dictionary is a data structure that stores key value pairs. Each key must be unique, and you can use keys to assess their associated values quickly. And dictionaries are mutable and are represent inside square bracket. And the some steps of dictionaries are the dictionary data type, pretty printing, and third one is using data structure to model real world things. And some example of dictionaries are, first one is dictionary includes the some elements, that is Ram's number is 63630 and Raj it number is 96119 and Harsh's number is 97409. And we can run the dictionary with the print statement and we are getting the output as same as the dictionary. And second example is dictionary includes the same elements as the first example, and we want the hash number, so we can running the dic dot hash with print statement, we are getting the output hash number, that is 97409. And third one is dictionary equal to rhyme 63630 as above is the first line. And here we can deleting the Raj's history, that is his number, so we can use the del dic Raj and we are running the program with print statement, we are getting the output as Ram 63630 and Harsh 97409. Here we can see the Raj Raj's history is deleted in this. And nested dictionaries and lists, we can have program that contains dictionaries and lists which in turn contain other dictionaries and lists. Lists are useful to contain an ordered series of values, and dictionaries are useful for associating keys with values. List inside the list known as nested list, and we can see the example of nested list. Here data is equal to 1 2 3 and 10 20 30 and 100 20 30. Here a large list include some sub lists, that is 1 2 3 is in the position of 0 and 10 20 30 is in the place of 1 and 100 200 300 is in the place of 2. And here there is first sub list, that is 1 is in the position of -3 and 2 is -2 and 3 is in the position of -1. Here we can print the data and we can get the output as 0. And next we can move to the keys, values and its methods. There are 3 dictionary methods that will return list like values of the dictionaries: keys, values, or both keys and values, keys, values and items. Data types, that is dictionary keys, dictionary values and dictionary items respectively, can be used in for loops. Here we can see the example, that is spam equal to color is red and age is 42. And for v in values, we can print the v and we can getting the color as red and age as 42. We'll move further. A for loop can iterate over the keys, values or key value pairs in a dictionary by using keys, values and item methods. The values in the dictionary items, values returned by the item bracket method are tuples. Items, it is called parentheses method, are tuples of the key and values. Here we can see the example, and let me move. If we can want a true list from one of these methods, pass its list like return value to the list function. Here we can see the example. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.